Okay, this is a 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum shooting in a standard, well, kind of sort of standard AR-15. 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum, this is what we're going to be shooting today. This is a 325 grain XPB made by Barnes. Pointed bullet, works well. In our first film, we showed us shooting 3 rounds continuous. Well, there was a lot of guys that said, well, will I shoot more than that? And they weren't too sure. Well, today I've loaded up the mag with 5 rounds, and we're going to shoot 5 rounds. Now, I could put this up to stovepipe and shoot 6, but we're going to shoot 5. So, this is the weapon. You've seen the cartridge. And